Hey guys, it's April503, and today I have the Shopkins vending machine that I probably should have filmed 2 years ago when I didn't have a YouTube. I've only had a YouTube for probably about 3 months. Anyway, I've been dying to get this vending machine. I have one already, but I didn't get one with cheeky chocolate and pretzel. And so I'm really excited to open this. So yeah. Let's get started. For a start, always use a tiny Lego brick to open your things. That's how I got all this stuff off. So yeah. Anyway, let's get on to the actual vending machine portion. Okay, I didn't open it completely. Let's just get that off and out of the way. Done. Okay. Let's open this vending machine up. Ooh, that was not expected. This is probably old, I say. Okay, so valuable from a long time ago. I haven't seen these in stock like forever. Be very careful with these. Okay, so in here comes, let me just take this little thing out. Okay, be very careful. Comes cheeky chocolate in purple and yellow. I love cheeky chocolate. And we've actually ordered him online, so the actual ones. Okay. And pretzel. And then you have all these things that you wanna like make the. There's not a cheeky chocolate that comes in this color. There's not a rainbow bite that comes in this color. There's not a bubble gum. Take 2. There is not a rainbow bite that comes in this. There's not cheeky chocolate that comes in this color. There's not a rainbow bite that comes in this color. There's not bubbles that comes in this color. Almost with cookie, except the feet. On this one, this licorice doesn't come in this one. Okay, we can skip the delish donut. Cupcake queen doesn't come in that color, and Lollipoppin does not come in that color. Now, I've been dying to see Shopkins Season 1 collector's list. Oh! It feels so new, but it's not so new at all. So literally, I probably have like 5 out of all of these that you can get. Let's start. Do y'all have any limited editions? Tell me. I know Cookie Swirl C has butter. So yeah. Let's maybe fill these up with some shopkins. I'm gonna be very careful with this. I think we can start by putting pretzel and cheeky chocolate in this little container right here. Do they come in this one or this one, I think? I just want to make sure they'll be visible. Like, I heard it. I'll fix it later. Okay, so they'll be visible down here. Let's put them in. I didn't really mean to hurt it. I'm gonna give this one anyway since I already have one. Maybe Snow Crush should join. Come on in, Snow Crush. Can we add a fourth Shopkin? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's put in dairy items. Well, you know. Oh, I just said that. Just don't listen, Iris. Don't listen to whatever you say. Let's add Kooky Cookie. We all know the world needs a Kooky Cookie in here. Let's put him on in. Cheesy, Kooky Cookie, and Freezy Peasy. It's easy when you're Freezy Peasy. Next, let's put in Rainbow. No, Rainbow should go in the middle. Redhead. Rainbow Bite. Sugar Lump. And last but surely not least, I don't have enough room for all these cute and adorable things. Oh, I'm so sad. You're gonna put in fairy crumbs, grand jam, and licorice. Now, Snow Crush, I don't want to be here. I want my twin to be here. Hi, I'm Snow Crush. I'll come in for my twin brother. Okay. So here it is, all filled up. Wait, we can't fit one tiny cute adorable one. Has to be Sally Shakes if we're ever gonna fit one in. Has to be. It's the skinniest one I got. Oh, I don't think you can fit in Sally. Sadly, you can't. Okay, so here it is, all filled up. And I got a surprise. Twirls, twirls, twirls. Ballerina Barbie wants to join. Twirls, twirls, twirls. Hi, Shopkins. Would you like to dance with me? Yeah, sure. Oh, guys, it looks like we're gonna have to spin and dance. First, turn one turn right. Well, well, well. Then turn one turn left. Well, well, well. Then come one step forward. Boop. Then come one step back. Boop. Now we're ready to jam out. But we have like no music. Oh, trust me, we're gonna have music. Let's get those cool moves rolling. Ready, steady, go! Right turn, oh yeah. Left turn, oh yeah. One front, one back. Great, you got it. Let's do it one more time. Right turn, oh yeah. Left turn, oh yeah. Up, front, back, front. Yeah, woohoo, that works great. Think you can do it without my voice? Let's do it. One more time. That was great. Y'all mastered it so quick. This calls for a closing celebration song. Hit it! This is fantastic. Alright, it is. Guys, you deserve it. You've been working with me for a long time. I bet you're ready now. Are you serious? Yeah, show off your work to the audience. Great. Before we start, we would like to give a speech. Well, at least Trap Belly would. A couple months ago, well, more like a year ago, trash packs were more popular than this. Hold on. Okay. And, I mean, we weren't out yet. We didn't know the world. We weren't even made yet. Until we came along, it was a debate. Of course, Shopkins wanted to win the debate, except there was one little problem. We didn't want to leave the trash packs out. We asked them if we got popular, if it would be okay if they were gone, and they said, oh, we're really unpopular, you know. We'll still have homes and stuff, have friends to play with. And we were like, okay, as long as you're fine with it, with Shopkins. If not, we'll design ourselves so we don't get in kids' minds that I need more Shopkins. We'll be more like, hey, we'll redesign ourselves to make us look not fun. No, be Shopkins, be what you want, they said. Because that's who you are. Thanks, we said. We wrote a song, and then we sung it to them. They were like, funny, good one. We were like, yeah, we still really love you. But since we're Shopkins, you know. So, in reunion of this, we are gonna sing this song. We are Shopkins. We are Shopkins. No time for loot, no time for trash bags, 'cause we are Shopkins. One more time, boys. We are Shopkins. We are Shopkins. No time for trash bags, 'cause we are Shopkins. That was a great voice. I guess all that training did help. Cookie, cran, jam, sugar lump, strawberry kiss, apple, candy kisses. That's all of y'all too. You know, that was a really fun night. Come on, Bradhead. I know, it was. Hey, look, there's your grandma right over there. Ah, kids. Come over to Grandma. Hey, y'all want to come over to my house? Totally. Ready. Come over here with your friends, Cookie, and Rainbow Bite. You know, I've always taken a liking to Rainbow Bite, Cookie. Oh, thanks. What's your name? Call me Nanny. Aw, thank you. You're so sweet. Y'all want to come over and have some hot choc? Invite all your friends over, Brady? Sure, Grandma. Let's get here. Yeah, I agree. That was really fun that night. I'd like to make a speech to all of y'all. Y'all had worked so hard on that song, and I'm so proud of y'all. Thanks, Grammy. You're welcome, Brady. Why don't we get some sleep? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. That sounds like a good idea. Hey guys, let's all go to bed. Hey, I know a place. Let's do it at the Shopkins vending machine. Those kids just sleep like a baby.